Hi, I'm Pop Sigung. Welcome to my channel where I teach my personal martial art of Bagua Kuntao Silat. This video is going to allow you to use hooking step in a self-defense, sparring, or fighting situation. This is next level basic practice and the beginning of your journey to be able to spontaneously use hooking step. There are other practice drills which I'll show in the future. In our first series of drills, we're going to do 3 steps apiece, one being the attacker, the other being the defender. And this series, we're going to do outside hooking step, meaning it's going to be my outside leg moving to the outside of his leg in that hooking step motion as he commits whatever attack he's going to commit. And this one, we'll start off in our opposite side, and usually it doesn't matter, we can do parallel, but we're going to start off opposite side, and he's going to take that step forward, lead punch, and I'm going to use overturning palm to grab, strike him, and at the same time, hooking step. And you can see his structure breaking down, and I've entered here. He's going to step out, attack again, hooking step. He's going to step out, attack again, hooking step. And you can see I can attack his rib cage or his head just as easily. And from here, he's going to step back one more time. And now I'm going to attack. I have him back on camera so you can watch this drill. It should be effective, or it should be done. So strike, step out, strike, step out, strike, and step out one more time. Now I'm going to attack back, and you'll see it a little quicker, a little more fluid, doing it this way so you can follow along. And he's going to strike me opposite side. So this is lead punch. Where this is lead punch, he's striking, and I'm moving my outside leg, his outside leg, overturning palm to strike his outside arm, capture, grasping palm, and strike his rib cage or his head, depending upon the target, what we're doing, timing, alignment structure, footwork, everything else. He's going to start again with lead punch, overturning palm, strike, with the step, he steps out, he steps out, now we're going to show it where it's going to be reverse punch or cross swing with the outside hooking step. And it's going to start off where he's going to step up with his left foot and swing with his right hand like most people are going to do if they're untrained or they think they have time or you're not paying attention, and what's going to happen. And I'm going to show you the defense of that. Rather than the overturning palm to grasping and strike, it's going to be the overturning palm to striking neck with the forearm wrist, torquing through the neck, and the striking palm to his bicep. I am not trying to intercept his punch. I can't, especially on an initiated punch. It's too fast, it's going to come. And what I can do is intercept his line of energy, his line of attack, and I don't need to be that fast. I just need to bump it. He's going to be off, but especially if I push through, I'm going to do damage to that offending arm, especially at the root. That's that idea that to make something miss me, I just need to adjust it laterally by just a few millimeters, and it's going to miss by many meters just a little bit out. So with that idea, and for me, the same thing. I'm here and I'm just so hopefully you can see that well. Same thing, he's going to affect that. You notice on that one, and he's going to do it again, is strike to the bicep, strike at almost the same time, then my foot comes around to break him down. Hands move faster than feet. If I try to make this strike after he's already attacked me and do it where I'm moving, he's going to hit me before I can do it if I just wait for everything to catch up. So I use a much smaller and faster hand to counter strike or destroy that incoming while I'm hitting his neck, then catch up. That also gives me much more power, momentum, mass, and allows my body to uncoil through the opponent. So you see that from the beginning again. That's right. And then later on, I'll show you one more time. Speed it up a little bit. Do not strike the guy hard. This is training. So when he speeds it up a little bit, you, as a defender, have to speed it up a little bit. 3 times across, you switch, he steps out, 3 times back. It's your turn. Now that you've seen how to do it, we're going to speed it up a little bit so you can see where you need to be in the practice at the next level basic training. Good. And you can hear that slap. That was him striking me as he comes in. The last one, similar, he's going to enter on the lead, but as a defender, I'm going to use opening elbow palm strike. I'm going to stay to the inside. My lower body is going to work on the outside, and you can see how that torque works for yourself as the person committing the act, and the person, the opponent, what it's going to do to him. And notice here, he's wide open. He's going to move to the inside of my body with opening palm, strike, solar plexus, face, wherever I'll be wide open. But the outside of his body is going to remain to the outside so he can sweep me. So from here, and notice, this is not, as he does again, a block. I'm not blocking this. We don't have boxing gloves on. He doesn't have a boxing glove on. This is not going to be a block. Again, I'm attacking his line of entry with an opening palm and striking to his bicep while I'm striking to his solar plexus, face, groin, with whatever I need to. But for demonstration purposes, it's going to be this so you can see what's going on. So when he steps back from that, it's a sat lead punch. It's strike here, opening palm. I'm striking his entire arm. I move to the inside of his strike and then struck, destroying that arm, hitting between the bicep and the tricep along the bone or into the deltoid or armpit while I'm striking here, 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 or just breaking down however I need to do it. Big difference. Again, we don't block in Bagua Kuntao Silat. Why waste time, effort, and allow yourself to be beat upon? Don't. We counterattack, invade, everything else, but we don't just simply try to block. There's other things you can do. At least grab them. If you think you're going to need to block, you can at least, or just step out of the way, or duck. But don't try to block. So we'll show here a little quicker. And there you go. Now that was hooking step on the outside. We're going to do the same upper body techniques, but hooking step on the inside. Hooking step on the inside with the upper body work is going to be the same as it was in the previous. So you can see how you need to align and structure your body and its effect on your opponent, and understand what you need to do and how your foot needs to be set up in order to affect this properly. So he makes that strike. Hook stepping on the inside against the cross swinging punch. Here you're going to see a number of problems develop because it's going to seem an unnatural movement to you. However, if you've been practicing that circling square, if you've been working on footwork, palm drills, as I've shown in previous videos, it's going to feel exactly like that. So what's going to happen, I'm going to show you slowly. He steps forward with his left leg and makes that punch. Boom. And yeah, see, I'm trying to be gentle. It still rocks him back, and I'm being very, he's just feeling my weight start to move. It's a deceptively powerful strike, and you're using your torquing of your entire body to lay your weight and energy into his neck and attacking his arm that's coming in to attack you. Again, I can't intercept that arm. You're not wearing gloves. So what I'm doing is attacking that line of entry and his neck, face, or wherever I want to attack as I'm doing that. And this is overturning palm to double striking palm as I'm entering. So he steps forward. And you can see here, he steps forward. He steps forward. Naturally, that would go into a Saku maneuver. So you can see, for him to do the same thing, he's going to have to watch where his feet are and relax into that and through my body as he takes up the space and joins into my body. And you can see here that that maneuver drops a great deal of his momentum into my body, twists and torques me just by the nature that he has to move in affecting that particular technique. When you practice it, you'll see it. Don't underestimate that technique. And for our last technique, for our inside hooking step, it's going to be very similar to what you see in torquing palm. So it's going to be similar to this maneuver, or that maneuver that we're going to use, the opening elbow where it comes up and opens up out. And while we're doing that, this comes around with our body movement momentum and our torquing from our joints, pressure from the ground, and that spine movement as it comes out. So as he approaches with that lead punch, you can see him play with these, take your time, especially if you have uneven, muddy terrain, as we do here today. But remember, this is next level basic, so you're still getting used to these maneuvers, and we'll show you what it looks like a little bit more, a little bit smoother as we're doing these. He's going to do that cross swinging punch, and I'm going to do outside hook. So. Now from here, one more, I'm going to attack with the lead. He's going to do the opening elbow with the palm strike outside hook. From here, he's going to give me the lead punch, and I'm going to do overturning palm on the outside with inside hooking step. From here, I'm going to do the cross swinging punch, and he's going to do the inside hooking step with the double striking palm. He's going to attack me with the lead punch. I'm going to do the opening elbow palm strike with inside hooking step. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll have more videos soon.